Hello students, today we are here with our worksheet number 59 from Directorate of Education, class 9 subject science, and today we discuss about the structure of atom. Gyan says, Jigyasa Didi, we learn that matter is made up of the particles called atoms. But what is an atom made up of? So today students, Gyan is here for knowing about the atom composition. What is the composition of atom? How atom is made up of? And by which particle is made up of atom? Jigyasa Didi reply, Gyan, atoms are the building blocks. Students, similarly, as the cells are the building blocks of our body, atoms are the building blocks of the matter or any substance. It means it is the smallest unit of matter that is composed of the three particles. Which particles? First, proton, second one is neutron, and the third one is electron. And many scientists propose different models to explain the structure of atom for the better understanding. What are these models? Today we learn the first model of the atom, that is Thomson model of atom, given by Joseph John Thomson. J.J. Thomson means full name Joseph John Thomson. He was the first scientist student to propose a model for the structure of atom. Firstly, we discuss about the cathode ray experiment. What is cathode ray and what is the cathode ray experiment? J.J. Thomson, that is Joseph John Thomson, he discovered the existence of electron. So, who discovered electron? J.J. Thomson. He used a cathode ray, that is a vacuum sealed tube. It has a cathode at one end and anode at other end, and he created a beam of electron traveled towards the anode. You see in the diagram there is a beam of electron traveled from cathode to anode, and when he apply a great voltage, when J.J. Thomson apply a high voltage, then electricity flows and the negatively charged particle flow from cathode to anode, and he named these particles as electron. These particles are indivisible. It means they are not divided further. So, by this experiment, he discovered a particle that is electron. What are the characteristics of electron? First, they are negatively charged. They are very small. So small, their mass is considered to be negligible. Negligible means equals to, which has no value, negligible, which we ignore, and it has charge that is -1. And what is the symbol? Symbol of electron is E. E for electron, and we put minus here, which show that it has a negative charge. Now, what is the Thomson model of atom? We study here that Joseph John Thomson, that is J.J. Thomson, was the first one to propose a model. He proposed a model. It means he only imagined. He compared the atom with Christmas pudding and watermelon. He says that the red edible part of the watermelon is the positive charge, and the black seeds are like the electrons. See the diagram here, students. This is the watermelon. You see the red edible part and the black seeds. He said that the red edible part has positively charged and the seeds are called electron. He also said that the atom is like a Christmas pudding. Christmas pudding means the pudding is called the positively charged sphere, and the dry fruits on the pudding is compared with the electron. It means the negative and the positive charges are equal. So, our atom is electrically neutral. What are the limitations of the J.J. Thomson model of atom? First, the model failed to explain the result of other experiment carried out, and it is only based upon the imagination. It is an imaginary model and this model is fail to explain the results. Okay, these two are the limitation of J.J. Thomson model of atom. Now do exercise. What is the net charge on an atom? Atom is neutral. Atom has no charge because it has equally positive and equal negative charge. So, atom is neutral. Second one, who discovered electron? J.J. Thomson. Write the characteristics of an electron. So, here you got the characteristics. You write the characteristics from here. This is the answer of your second question. Third one, explain in brief the Thomson model of the atom with the help of diagram. So here diagram is given to you. You have to draw that diagram. This is the answer of your third question, student. From here, and you have to draw that diagram. And this is your third answer. Fourth one, what was the limitations? So these are two limitations. It is an imaginary model and it can't satisfy other results. So this is the answer of your fourth question. I think this worksheet is very easy, and if you clear the three particles of an atom, a composition of an atom, then share among your friend circle. Subscribe our channel Learning Night. Thank you. Stay safe, stay healthy.